In this video, we are going to talk about understanding the interface of Capcut. After you have downloaded Capcut by referring to my video 1, which I will leave a link on top of this video, create a shortcut for your desktop and you will see an icon that looks like this. Subsequently, double tap on this icon and you will see something like this. Now, of course, in terms of the projects for your case will be totally blank, right? So as you can see over here, I've already created almost 657 videos. Under this sign in, understand that there is no need for you to sign into this application to start using it. All you need to do is to click on add a new project. Once you click on add a new project, you will see that there are 4 different windows here. Right? The first window is where you will see things like the media, the audio, the text, the stickers, effects, transitions, filters, and adjustments. So over here, this second window is the main player itself. And on the right, this is where you're going to do some editing once you added certain elements over here. And this whole box here is your entire workspace, whereby this workspace will help you to determine things like the length of your video, to cut the video clips, the length of your text. So over here in media, this is where you're going to add things like your video clips. Under the audio tab, you have pre-populated musics provided by Capcut. Now please bear in mind that not all these musics are copyrighted. There are also sound effects that you can use, things like the cheering and applause sound effects, victory sound effects, or even taking a photo sound effects. All right, so click on here to minimize it. You can also click on extracted audio, whereby you have your own audio file to import into Capcut. Over here, you can sign into TikTok, which I mentioned you don't have to do that. Under the text menu, you can add default text. And from here, once you add the default text, if you notice on the right, this is where you can edit everything, including the text, the animations, the tracking of the text to make sure that your text is moving according to certain motions that you want it to be. Under text to speech, you can choose different forms of voices. Going back again to the effects column. So this is where you can add certain effects to the different types of text that you wish to add into. There's also the text templates. All these text templates, you can use it to make your video look more attractive. Auto captions. Now this is the one whereby once you have finished adding certain video clips whereby you are the one talking in the video, you don't have to type the subtitles one by one. Just choose these auto captions. Straight away you can create all the subtitles. Next will be the sticker menu. Under sticker menu, you have a lot of different categories, things like wedding, all right, things like doodling, things like animal stickers. Right? All these different stickers are meant to make your video stand out even more. Effects. Now when it comes to the effects over here, this is where you can add certain effects to your video clip itself so that it does not look so mundane. Transition. Transition will be very useful between different video clips. Let's say you have split your clip into 2 or 3 different parts. So before the screen transit to the second clip or the third clip, you can add certain transition in between them. And again, on the left, you see that there are several different categories here. Under filters, you can see that there are also several different categories that you can choose from. And all this is meant to make your video clip look more attractive as your audience is watching them. In the next video, I will talk about how do you add in a video clip and an audio clip and how to adjust the length of all these clips.